Alright, it's another day to play the game. Geoguessr, and it's another day to wake up with the privilege to use your noggin. What a cool location we have. Okay. Something area, that's English. Where in the US would you guess here? I guess you go somewhat southern, but like, what is this? And what is this chair doing? Like, what area is this? What am I doing? Minnesota. I had no idea where to guess there. Like, nothing there made sense to me at all. I mean, I didn't think it was Pennsylvania. This is the Western Road in Cambodia. Angry Birds. Dude, I haven't played Angry Birds in so long. Surely just guess along the river here. That's so north, man. Okay. What is this? Double white center line. Go northern Finland, I guess. Guess you just go northern Finland. I think Finland got new road lines in this year, or a couple of years ago, so. This is Phnom Penh. Yeah, but like, I think it's gonna be Eastern Pocket, Cambo. Like one of these, maybe you go to this city. Ooh, what a call. That's a good shout. Well, if I didn't frick up my Minnesota call out and the Southern Finland guess and kind of a bad Russia guess, but well, I did good in Cambodia today at least. If you learn Cambodia, you get at least 10,000 points. Thankfully, I've done somewhat research in Cambodia, but yeah, Minneapolis is, I don't go Minneapolis on that, and Finland is, I just have to click north on that. Maybe, let me cope. Do these trees not feel more northern to anyone else? Am I coping? I mean, realistically, I'll probably be the only one that's like that far north, but that's okay, because lock in, 10 seconds. No cope, no cope, no cope, no cope. 10 seconds, let's lock in here and make a good guess. 5 good, ooh, round 1. Colombia or New Zealand or what, like, fuck, it's gonna be like something weird. Okay, we're good. Bolivia, do I just go Bolivia or do I have to go Bolivia? Somewhere over here. Peru, wrong country. Okay, buddy. This looks like it got hit, like when the tornado, like, is it Joplin or something? Like, why did that place look like it just got hit by a tornado? Am I tripping? Maybe that's just a bad thing to say about this neighborhood. I feel kind of bad now, honestly. Does it not give off, like... This is the same road? Nah, this place definitely... Okay. During the late evening of Friday, 2021. Okay. There was a tornado here. That's very sad, because you can clearly see, like, the impact it had. 2023... 2022, and then damn, man, wait, really? Look at this city that's just gone. Oh my god. That's a horrible damage. That's why Street View is so interesting at times, because it just kind of catalogs, you know. So why is the sun south? Oh, this is South Africa. I have no idea what Greece. Ooh, wait, go to guess. What the? Okay. Wait. Is this Australia? Why is there eucalyptus trees? Is it Argentina or? Ah, fuck. I timed out. I don't go Colo on the East of the Andes. Colo's crazy. No, that's a hard East of Andes Colo. I thought these were eucalyptus trees. They're not even eucalyptus. I wasn't gonna get any points anyway, so I can't even cope. I mean, East of Andes is cookable there for sure, but I just forgot. Didn't come to mind. A lot of the time on 10 seconds, you just have to make sure something comes to your mind, you know? But, alright. RBUS. Let's lock in here, actually. I'm like fully locking in. 3 seconds. Today is my placement day. Today is my placement day. Today is my placement day. I was distracted. How's that Eastern? Boom. Well, could have been worse. Also could have been better. Let's see how everyone else does.
Okay.
I heard the chair squeak for him getting closer.
Yeah. We have an interesting wall here. It feels very urban. You know what I was thinking? There's like some very... It reminds me of like this stuff in like Rock Creek Park, maybe? Like this urban park or, you know? I don't know. I'm gonna try that. Okay. What was that? Lakeland. Probably this stuff again. Slam it multiple times. Surely this is circuit sand. I mean, let's see. Yeah. I mean, I just go downtown here. Okay. Finland? It's a little strange looking, but I think it's Finland. I would probably go like here somewhere. What?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Misplaced. That is misplaced. White sand. I would have to say down here. It's probably gonna be. You know, I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit and go max. Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Look at us, bro.
Yes, dude. I
Second
actually
place.
clutched me up the.
Yeah.
We'll take that.
Damn. Wait, you won if you stay there. Because you're at 18. You're at like 19 points on the 42nd.
Oh yeah. True. Cola. Yeah. Okay. Good. It's like late Peruvian side. Probably one of these towns. I'm gonna stay here. Yeah. What was that one? Can't actually tell if it's US or Canada. I'm gonna just stick here. Ooh. Oh wait, is it Mayfield?
Yes, bro.
It's a tornado.
Yes.
Oh, the courthouse.
Wait, the courthouse got hit?
Yeah. You know how much I love my courthouses. Yeah, like I literally ran through all of downtown. Yeah, here it is.
Okay.
And now it's just gone.
Bro, what the fuck? Wait, that's actually like horrible.
Yeah.
Wait, dude.
Look at this downtown. Like this is a really nice downtown,
bro.
Yeah.
And it's just a ghost town now.
Yeah, tornado ran right through the heart of downtown. All right, lock in.
Okay.
I'm still in first somehow.
Wait, how are you? What? Okay. No, lock in.
I don't think that. Bulg. Yeah, I stay in Bulgaria, I think. I don't have any other better guess. Oh, Turkey, okay. I thought the poll was more Bulg, but this is where I lose. I don't know. Yeah, Colo, that was my other thought.
You're still in second.
What? Nah, this is actually... What? What?
Yeah, no, I get what you're saying, the hooks. I didn't even see that.
Yeah, I guess not that many people got Colo. Like, how did I beat Lenley and Dallin?
Wait, okay, look at the score. Lindley didn't get Cola round 1. And
Yeah,
Dallin,
neither did Dallin.
Dallin didn't either.
Church was the only one who got it. Kind of scripted my
I
way
guess
to
it was
that
by
one.
like 23 points,
Yeah.
but still.
It's, yeah, I guess I was marginally closer going Mexico than he was going Chile and stuff like that. Like,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. But is it? No, it's more north. Yeah, I realized. Oh, it's this road. No, I went way too north. I knew what the road is, but
Okay.
okay.
Oh man, it's fun to get Alaska in this though.
Yeah.
I'm probably not gonna go over I can't go over the scores tomorrow, guys. So, Boki Debra Toro, who was the first and other one? It was Church RC Lindley and Lindley RC Mackham, but as of now, but RC won this, which is kind of nice. So we have to switch the map now tomorrow. So.
Here comes your favorite segment. Be careful your ears don't get pregnant. Ooh, so clap your hands and yell hooray. It's RC's song of the day, yeah.
Right. Song of the day is "Emotion" by Carly Rae Jepsen. I forgot that yesterday was Canada Day, so shout out to. She still makes good music, even her new stuff.
All right. GG's.
Jeez.
And I'll see you guys
Tomorrow.